punched in the face at Old Town Trolley Station. I was just sitting there, as you can see, drinking my coffee, minding my own business, and this guy comes up and gets in my face and starts yelling and screaming, and then he punches me for no reason. And there are surveillance cameras. There are surveillance cameras here, so there's evidence of what happened. It was totally unsolicited. This is organized stalking. I called 911. I screamed for security. Security came over here. I called 911. I guess they're on their way. But this is organized stalking, and this is how violent it gets. This is a common tactic of just gratuitous violence against the victim, to constantly keep the victim in a constant state of fear for their physical safety and paranoia and anxiety. Physical and psychological trauma and psychological trauma, to map out the sensory and neural pathways of the victim's brain and central nervous system. So again, this is the Trolley Station. This is where they have attacked me many times. They punched me in the face here before. Back in 2013, they punched me in the face twice. Right up the street, they chased me with knives. It's ridiculous. But this is how the game works. It's a very deadly game, and it's called organized stalking. And I just got punched in the face, and I did nothing to deserve it. And the surveillance cameras that you see right up there will show the entire incident was entirely unsolicited. So, this is Brian 2, March 11, 2018, approximately 8:20 in the morning. Old Town Trolley Station. I got to go to the hospital.